Ever hit that moment where the bills pile up higher than your motivation? Car on the fritz, fridge playing peekaboo with your groceries, and payday feels like a distant dream? In these times of financial frustration, you might stumble upon wefixmoney. They advertise fast cash, a beacon of hope in a stormy financial sea. But before you dive in, let's crack open wefixmoney and see how it truly works. So what exactly is wefixmoney? wefixmoney positions itself as a helping hand, offering short-term loans to bridge the gap between your income and unexpected expenses. They claim a fast, smooth process, aiming to get that cash in your hands the same day. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's where things get interesting. The wefixmoney breakdown, how it works. The application process is designed for speed. Unlike traditional loans with mountains of paperwork, wefixmoney keeps it simple. You fill out an online form, providing basic information and your bank details. Approval seems quick, and if all goes well, the money gets deposited into your account on the same day. Here's the catch, and it's a big one: interest rates. wefixmoney falls under the category of payday loans, notorious for their sky-high interest. We're talking rates that would make your head spin. While the convenience factor is undeniable, those interest charges can snowball fast, potentially turning a small loan into a monster debt. Is wefixmoney right for you? Weighing the pros and cons. Let's be honest, sometimes life throws curveballs, and a short-term loan can feel like your only option. wefixmoney offers undeniable advantages. Speed. They get you the money quickly, perfect for emergencies. Convenience. The application process is straightforward and online. Accessibility. Their requirements might be easier to meet than traditional loans. However, these advantages come at a steep cost. Crushing interest rates. These can trap you in a cycle of debt. Potential fees. Look out for hidden fees that inflate the loan cost. Debt trap. It's easy to fall behind on repayments with such high interest rates. Alternatives to wefixmoney. Exploring your options. Before you hit that submit button on wefixmoney, consider these alternatives. Negotiate with bill providers. Explain your situation and see if they offer payment plans. Talk to your bank. They might be able to offer a small line of credit or short-term loan at a lower rate. Credit union loans. Credit unions often have better interest rates than payday lenders. Cash advances on credit cards. While credit card interest rates are high, they might be lower than wefixmoney. Use this option cautiously and with a plan to repay quickly. wefixmoney can be a lifesaver in an emergency, but proceed with caution. The high interest rates can be brutal. If you absolutely must use them, have a rock-solid plan to repay the loan quickly to minimize the interest bite. Remember, wefixmoney is a temporary solution, not a magic fix. Explore all your options, create a budget, and focus on getting back on solid financial ground. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.